Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your ClickBank product pages for better conversions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your ClickBank product pages for better conversions, start by logging into your ClickBank account. Navigate to the Marketplace section where your products are listed. Select the product you want to update. Review your current product title and description for clarity and appeal. Consider using keywords that your target audience is searching for. Next, focus on the product image. Ensure your image is high quality and represents your product well. A compelling image can significantly increase user engagement. Now, look at your promotional materials. These may include sales pages, graphics, and email swipes. Ensure they are professionally designed and relevant to your product. Craft a strong call to action in your description. This should clearly tell visitors what step to take next. Add testimonials or reviews to build trust. Positive feedback from previous customers can enhance credibility. Update your pricing strategy if needed. Check competitor pricing and consider an introductory offer or discount. Make sure your payment options are clear and diverse. Offer multiple payment methods to accommodate different customers. Consider adding a money-back guarantee to ease buyer concerns. This can encourage visitors to make a purchase. Next, optimize your page for mobile users. Ensure the layout is responsive and easy to navigate. Use clear fonts and a simple design for better readability. Incorporate social proof through user-generated content. Encourage customers to share their experiences on social media. Finally, test your changes regularly. A/B testing can help you identify what works best for your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.